So you join me inside in Nkosazana. You guys have asked for this for such a long time. I'm even playing the song in the background. Let's test the sound. That's with the bass off. That's with the bass. We'll play it later. You guys have been asking me about Nkosazana Half Drive, but we're gonna be speaking, and at the same time, you guys are gonna be seeing the road, the car. Central locking. Did you hear that? I just drive off, the car goes clear. Anyway, so we're gonna be doing a pop drive of Nkosazana, and we're also gonna be speaking about a few things I'm gonna do to the car before Campfest and my plans for 2026. Right. So you guys noticed that, right? It cut, it switched off. When you get to a hump with the stance car, you must front wheel must go on, left must go on at the back before the right one. You go down, you don't scrape. Then you scrape with the mud flaps. You know, it's part of the static life. So we're gonna speak about what I'm gonna do in terms of changes of the sound system. I'm driving a residential area, so there is a lot of humps. We're gonna experience a lot of humps and a lot of bounces. So yeah, so the plans for 2026. Let me start off by welcoming you guys into the year 2026. I appreciate all of you guys that are currently watching this video, and those that are not watching this video but you've watched my videos somewhere, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, anywhere across all platforms. I want to start by appreciating all of you guys. I really do appreciate all of you guys. Wait, let me just let this Hilux pass me, because there's a hump in front of me, and I don't like irritating people, you know. So I just let the Hilux pass me. So you get to a hump, same thing. That's why we need air suspension, guys. Let's see. Yes, I didn't scrape. We come back down. You're gonna scrape with the mud flaps. Listen. I hope you guys can hear that. But yeah, so starting off with the year, thank you all of you guys. One thing I really want to do this year, part of my plans for 2026, is to do a lot more for you guys. And I say a lot more for you guys, I mean, I'm not just gonna do car reviews. I think last year I did a lot of car reviews, and I didn't do, you know, the special events, the stance events, the car shows, all those type of things. So we are going back to the purpose of this channel. I'd lost my ways a bit. I was focusing on new cars, and we're going back to the purpose of this channel. And the purpose of this channel was to show you everything that is currently in South Africa, right? And that's from the new cars that I get to test, and every other event that happens and I can go to. So in December I went to an event with a friend of mine, Barang from Team BGB and Rhea Says. So you guys like that content, so I'm gonna do that, a lot more spinning events, a lot more stance events, and some stance events I will go and I won't go with my car, because I want to focus on the event. Because when I go with my car, I want to be around my car, because people want to see my car. When I say my car, I'm speaking about Nkosazana. So we're gonna be doing things a lot more differently this year. So that's my plan for the channel. One of the plans. The other plans is to get to 100,000 subscribers this year, and the other plan is to get Nkosazana sibling. That I will definitely get. Nkosazana sibling will definitely be bought. So you can swing to the right, or you can swing to the left. So I'm swinging to the left this time around. The hump is not that high anyway. So yeah, so my plan is to do a lot more in that regard. And so 100,000 subscribers, do a lot more events, get Nkosazana sibling, right? That's what I want to do. And before we actually go any further, thank you to those that, the last video we did at We Buy Cars with the BF Goodrich, thank you for everyone that went and commented on BF Goodrich. BF Goodrich did reach out. We are currently in talks, right? But to just motivate those talks, you know what I need from you guys? I need you guys to go on the BF Goodrich Instagram page, and on any of the latest posts, I want you guys to comment on those posts. Comment, like, I don't know, like, now you guys are commenting that I want to work with them. Please comment that a lot, so BF Goodrich can see that we are a huge community here at SwitchOff South Africa, because you guys are not the society. So I want to get BF Goodrich on board, and I can't get them on board without you guys. This is quite a big hump, so we need to properly slice the hump. Gonna scrape? No, I didn't. Yeah, I did scrape. I did scrape with my exhaust there. I'm gonna scrape with my mud flaps. There we go. Standard procedure, it happens. So I want you guys to do this one big favor for me. Comment on the BF Goodrich website, and then after that, follow the traveling channel, follow SwitchOff Gaming. SwitchOff Gaming is going through a big revamp, so we're doing a lot more for SwitchOff Gaming this year. I've set up my PCs, I've set up every single thing, so that's the plan for 2026. Now I'm sure you guys want to hear what are the plans for 2026 with Nkosazana. So we have Campfest. You guys are probably watching this video now in January, first or second week, whenever. I'm shooting this on the 5th of Jan. So the plan for Nkosazana is very simple. Right now, the immediate plan for this car is to install air suspension for Campfest. So is to get air suspension for Campfest. And yeah, air suspension is not cheap, but we are gonna do it. I'm currently thinking of who to work with. Obviously there is Airlux suspension. That's probably there's Airlux suspension, there's ABFT, there's I think it's Caster. I've also heard about Caster, but I haven't spoken to anyone from any of those air suspension companies. So my current goal is to definitely reach out to one of those companies. I'm looking at more of Airlux because the ABFT kit is quite expensive for those cars. You're looking around what they said, just under 40,000 or in and around 40,000 rand for a kit for this car. Whereas at Airlux, the kit that I'm looking at, you're looking at anything between say 16 to 20,000 rand. So that's just for the kit. And then I also need to get the kit installed, right? So if you're Airlux and you're watching this, let's work together. If you're watching this before I've reached out to you, let's work together. If you install a suspension, let's work together. Let's find a way to work together. Me promote your work, promote your business in return for fitting the suspension for the air suspension for me, and just the likes. I want it to be a mutual relationship. So where I benefit and where you benefit as well. And the same thing with wherever I install the air suspension. And I've said this before in my previous video. My car will have air suspension, but if the air suspension company that I decide to buy the air from doesn't work with me in terms of I don't get like a discount or anything that is beneficial for me, I unfortunately won't mention what air I'm running on the car, because then that brand gets free promo, you know. So yeah, and that's what I'm thinking. So I'm not gonna mention who I'm working with. You will see the car with air. That is the main plan for the channel. See, that's a very small hump. I don't have to do. So that's the main plan for Nkosazana. Once I get air in Nkosazana, things will be a lot better. And then what else? I think for me, for Nkosazana, I think that's the main thing. What else do you guys want to hear, actually? Oh, you want to hear the sound of the car, right? Let me do this. So yeah, if you install air, you're an air suspension company, let's work together, because there's one City Golf. Woo! I scraped heavily there. Wow. Because there is one City Golf that's very famous, and it's mine. And it's my City Golf. When you see a bump like that, you just swerve. So let's work together. You'll benefit. Nkosazana is very famous. I think Nkosazana is more famous than me. Oh, these arms are big. I am scraping. That's why I need air, guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys can hear the sounds Nkosazana makes. But that is the goal for 2026. If there's anything else that you guys would like me to add on Nkosazana, that makes sense, because I don't think there's anything else I want to add on Nkosazana for Campfest. So the plan is to get air, and then we are done with Nkosazana. The plan is to get air, then we're done from Nkosazana for Campfest. Another plan for Campfest is to not drive the car there, but trailer the car there. The other plan is to trailer Nkosazana there, not drive Nkosazana there. So yeah, there is that. So we'll see what's what. But I hope that in this 2026 update, I was able to answer some of the questions that you guys might have regarding Nkosazana, regarding the channel, and yeah, and everything else. So She's not bad. She's not bad. The power's still there. The power's still there. And I know that's what you guys have been wondering. Is Nkosazana quick? Is she what? How does she sound? I hope you guys can actually hear the sound of Nkosazana. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, because I don't want to make it too long, because there is going to be another update of Nkosazana now in January once we fitted the air. And yeah, let's all hope I get the right air suspension company for Nkosazana so that she can look very beautiful, right? So before we leave, remember, BF Goodrich, that one favor I asked in the beginning. But otherwise, there's just one more pull of Nkosazana. It's mandatory when you drive a City Golf that before you change the gear, the car, if you're going all the way out, you need to really hit the limiter, tap it twice, change the gear. Okay, I'm not done. I'm gonna do one more here, and then I'm done. After this one more here, then I'm done, right? So you guys saw how I drive my stance car on a daily. It's literally how I drive it. I've gotten used to it. It doesn't irritate me. If it irritates you, there's bumps, you'll watch. I'm gonna bounce. There we go. There we go. There. So yeah, thank you for watching. The other thing that I want to do to the car is change my box. My sub is not breathing healthy, if I should say, because it keeps cutting the sound. So I'm gonna change the box, but only once I've fitted the air, so I can see how much boot space I have. But yeah, that's enough talking. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm Nicky Nash, Empower Mission and Change Cars on all things motoring. If you're looking for insurance, click the link in the description box below, because Naked has got you sorted. Be like Nkosazana, be insured. Be insured by Naked. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, I'm signing out. Cheers. No, I don't say that. As always, I'm signing out.